Chapter 7 of Fundamentals of Lean Process Improvement. In Chapter 7, we're going to look at total productive maintenance. With total productive maintenance, which is abbreviated or often used as TPM, we will look at several aspects. So I opened up the PowerPoint that is listed on the Lessons tab so you could take a peek. I'm going to just show you just a few. Of the tabs, excuse me. I'm going to go to 17. There we go. So if we're looking at maintenance of our equipment, we need to take a look at the causes of equipment problems. And so here are 3 examples. Failure to maintain the basic equipment requirements, taking care of it, basic housekeeping, basic update, failure to maintain the correct conditions, the temperature, vibration, pressure, things like that, and basic lack of skill, operator error. Now, elements of a PM program, which is preventative maintenance, has to do with looking ahead at what might we be able to do so that we will not have problems later. So keeping a piece of equipment lubricated so that it doesn't run out of the lubrication monitoring equipment daily rather than waiting for when it starts squeaking. You know, I just got a phone call from my son saying that his car has a squeak. He has his window down and has a squeak, and it seems to be related to when he puts on the brakes. All right, so I'm thinking, now when he went in for his last oil change, did he have an inspection done? And if he did have the inspection done, could they have maybe said that his brake shoes were wearing down, or the brake pads needed to be replaced? And so I have a few questions for him. But had we known that, then we wouldn't have to say, you know, take your car off the road, don't drive it right now, we need to get it checked over. So that's basically preventative maintenance. There's certain things that need to be done routinely. And a lot of times, the best way to do this is to create a checklist. Now, from another perspective, I've had a guest speaker from the police department who is in charge of scheduling all of the vehicles that go out, the police cars. And there are regular oil changes, regular tire rotations, regular tire replacement, regular maintenance done, and they're all on a schedule. So they have a complete schedule of every piece, every car they have, and at what point do they rotate that vehicle out and a different vehicle in? At what point do they take it off for a while? And it's all on a rotation basis. And truly, it's absolutely amazing how they can run the Cedar Rapids Police Department with all those vehicles. And so they have an outstanding and well-tuned PM program. So I'm just going to skip right to the end because I don't want to take the whole chapter away from you. But benefits of preventative maintenance. Planned downtime eliminates random downtime. So you might be able to do it when your schedule is better for it, maybe holidays, or might be a time to do something, or at a time of the day that a piece of equipment's not going to be used. It's going to then reduce a lot of costs for you, a loss of production, repair breakdowns, things like that. Now, at this point, I'm going to go right to your Chapter 7 page, your Lessons tab, and you'll see that I have one video for you to watch on TPM. That is a pretty good video. That's why I posted it for you. And then following that, just go through your regular routine. We have 2 chapters this week, so I don't have a lot for you to see as far as videos in each of these chapters. I shortened them up just a little bit so we can get through 2 chapters. This is an interesting chapter, but it doesn't have a lot of meat to it. So you can go ahead and read the chapter, conduct your 15 question quiz, do the discussions, and then move right on to Chapter 8. So I'm going to sign off for now and create the video for Chapter 8.